Hello, my name is Roxy Sampalo, and today I'm going to be presenting why college is a necessity in the 21st century. I believe it is important to educate high school students on the importance of furthering the education in today's society. Today we will be discussing the importance of getting a degree in today's society, the conflict of public figures who drop out and are successful, and the luck that takes place during this, as well as the benefits of going to college. This includes jobs, health, and personal benefits. In the 21st century, the only way to get a stable job with a decent salary is to go to college and earn a degree. Many may feel like that college is a waste of time, but a degree is an essential requirement. I believe more students should look into going to college after they receive their high school diploma because the economy is building around those who have a degree. Getting a degree is important for anyone because of the connections, opportunities, and money benefits. Many students drop out of college and argue that they are saving money by avoiding student loans. As an attempt to get out of college and justify themselves, these students use excuses that many public figures who are still successful while dropping out. A public figure that many dropouts tend to refer to is Bill Gates. What they don't know is the reason Bill Gates dropped out of Harvard after 2 years. Before dropping out, he already had expert programming experience, and the reason he dropped out was because he received the opportunity to co-create Microsoft before. Gates and his partner founded Microsoft and made the first software before he dropped out. In an interview on the talk show this morning, Gates even admits that he did not officially drop out and was able to go back to Harvard if the company did not do well. Bill Gates even admitted in the Gate notes that more people needed to attend college. Continuing with Bill Gates, 30 years later, he eventually went back to college and received his degree. He later got the opportunity to speak at orientation to inspire kids to succeed in the future. However, he declined and instead decided to speak at graduation because he believed that he was a bad influence. Although he chose to drop out of college, he still encourages everyone to attend college unless they have a definitive plan for the future. In reality, Bill Gates was able to succeed. The way he succeeded was unconventional and unrealistic. Dropping out and coming up with a big idea is not going to work for everyone. College allows students to build their knowledge and learn the fundamentals of their future, and it allows students to become successful in something they are passionate about instead of relying on their future on luck. By going to college, people receive several financial and career benefits. According to Robert J. Zimmer, a mathematician and college administrator, college dropouts are 71% more likely to be unemployed. Of course, many college dropouts are employed, but there's no way for them to get rich. Although some college dropouts have the same career as high school graduates, college graduates are more likely to get a promotion and make more money than the average high school graduate. And even though the dropout may be doing just as well as a college colleague, the worker that has a degree receives a significantly bigger paycheck than anyone who did not finish school. In 2015, Zimmer showed college graduates with a bachelor's degree received 56% more per year than those with a high school diploma did. On average, a person who has a bachelor's degree will earn more than $1 million throughout their entire life than someone with a high school diploma. And the statistics don't just stop here. The data of the Bureau of Labor Statistics prove that those with a college degree make hundreds more dollars than those with a high school diploma per week. On average, people with a college degree make $1,156 a week, while those with only a high school diploma receive $692. Not only do those with a degree make more money, the higher degree they have, the less of an unemployment rate they will have. Those who are 25 and have surpassed the doctoral rate have a 1.6 unemployment rate, while those with a less than high school degree have a 5.6 unemployment rate. Not only do college graduates drastically make more money, it is also proven that those who attend college have several other health benefits. Studies have shown that college graduates are less likely to be living with their parents and are more likely to get married. Having a college degree will give them more opportunities with other people in life, not just more money. In fact, going to college forces students to have responsibilities and allows them to become more independent from their parents. All according to the Pew Research Center, high school graduates are nearly twice as likely to be more poor in health than college graduates. College graduates are also less likely to get divorced in their future. The divorce rate for high school graduates is 43% compared to college graduates who have a divorce rate of 26%. College gives students an opportunity to make social connections in the professional world, whether it be from networking or building a relationship with a mentor that will help with their resume and give them an insight of what companies are looking for in their workers. According to Prep Scholar, experts have estimated that 70 to 80% of jobs are not publicly advertised. Many companies offer college internships that can eventually give them full-time jobs once they graduate with a degree. Additionally, more colleges offer free career counseling and have job fairs that may be specifically looking for a student to work at their companies. Getting a middle-class job without a college degree over the last few decades has become way more difficult than it was in the past. Enrico Moretti showed in his book, The New Geography of Jobs, on average since 1985, the United States has lost over 372,000 manufacturing jobs per year, and while these jobs are decreasing, the U.S. has gained more jobs in more skilled fields. Moretti also proves that within the last 20 years, software jobs have gone up by over 500%, as well as internet jobs that have increased by over 600%. And these jobs are computer hardware engineers, computer network architects, and computer programmers all require a college education. So today we talked about the importance of a college education in today's society, the irrational thinking of comparing oneself to other public figures who dropped out, and the many benefits of obtaining a college education. More high school students should push themselves to go to college after they receive their high school diploma because the economy is building around those who have a degree. College gives students a chance to find their passion, get good at it, and then make a career out of it. College is a time to experiment and find yourself. It isn't just a mandatory task that will improve your educational purpose, but it's an opportunity that will improve your growth and social maturity. Thank you for listening.